met, and it is Lakar Wednesday. So last Wednesday, Tenzin and I, who's the other intern, went to Union Square and we had people sign postcards to promote awareness about the human rights violations that are occurring for Tibetan nomads. These are 80 postcards that we had signed by passerbyers, and we are about to deliver them to the UN, to Ban Ki-moon. So here we go. So after being sent back and forth about 6 times, package will definitely, and I've been reassured by one of the security guards at the UN, it will definitely reach the Secretary General, which is nice after all of that work. So, mission accomplished.